Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I'll be showing you Fubo TV review, pros, cons, features, and pricing. So let's get started. Fubo TV is often hailed as a go-to platform for sports fans, but is it worth the cost? In this video, I'll share my honest and unbiased review covering the key features, potential drawbacks, and pricing details. By the end, you'll know if Fubo TV is the right streaming service for you. So now let's talk about the key features of Fubo TV. So number one is it has extensive sports channels. It includes ESPN, NFL Network, NBA TV, and more. It's perfect for catching live games and events. And number two, it's a well-rounded entertainment. So it offers channels like ABS, AMC, FX, and HGTV. Great for families with diverse viewing preferences. And number three is its cloud DVR. So you would have up to 1,000 hours of recording space depending on the plan that you select, and record and watch games or shows at your convenience. And you would also have multi-device streaming, which means you can stream up to 10 devices with Pro or Elite plans. And number five, you would have 4K streaming quality. So it is supported on subscription plans and devices that you'd selected. So it would really depend. And now for the pricing overview right here, at the starting price is at Pro. So it would be $59.99 per month after trial. But of course, you would also have your free trial right here, so you don't have to spend and test the waters if Fubo is really what you want, and then you can just cancel that and it won't cost you anything. So with Pro here is what you get: 207 channels, unlimited cloud DVR, and you can watch on up to 10 screens. With Elite with Sports Plus, so you would have more features right here, and other deluxe more features, and in the Latino it would depend if you would want the Latino version. So it would come with 62 channels, unlimited cloud DVR, and watch on 2 screens. So this is a more budget friendly right here. It's only $14.99 per month. So yeah, you can learn more about each of these plans if you are interested by clicking here on the Learn More button. And now for the drawbacks to consider here in Fubo. So number one would be the higher cost. It is pricey compared to other streaming options if you only need a few channels. And then number two would be the gaming console support. So its gaming console support is limited. No app support for gaming consoles, which may be inconvenient for some users. And then number three would be the compatibility for 4K content. It requires compatible devices to fully enjoy 4K streaming. So yeah, the question is, who should get Fubo TV? It is ideal for sport enthusiasts seeking a robust selection of live sports channels, and also for families wanting a mix of live and on-demand content. And Fubo TV is not ideal for casual viewers who might find it too expensive for limited use. So now on the final thought, Fubo TV excels in delivering live sports and a comprehensive channel lineup, making it a solid option for sports lovers and families. However, its higher price point and lack of gaming console support may not appeal to everyone. And that is basically it for my review for Fubo TV. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.